जिंदगी एक कारवां है, अपने धुन में चलने वाली छोटे बड़े पलकों का एक हसीन कारवां। इसी कारवां को रफ्तार देते हुए हम आ गए हैं फिर एक बार विद कर्मयोग फाउंडेशन प्रेजेंट्स कर्मयोग मोमेंट्स दोल पूर्णिमा, जहां every पूर्णिमा we give you an exclusive sneak peek into all that is newsworthy in our कर्मयोग सफर। दोल पूर्णिमा प्राइम मोमेंट्स में जाने से पहले अ थ्रोबैक टू माघ पूर्णिमा, जिसका हाईलाइट था अ डे एट ग्रीट्स। With this, let's peek into the prime moments. Last cycle, the most important development that left a mark was Karmyog Foundation's field visit to Orissa and Rajasthan. A team of 6 learning experience designers, technology and multimedia experts, personally led by Mahacharya Shri Sauravji Sarkar, visited the interiors of Orissa and Rajasthan to understand the ground realities of Indian farming and youth empowerment. आपको जान के खुशी होगी कि कर्मयोग फाउंडेशन in partnership with Tata Trust is driving a flagship training program to awaken farmers across the country. This program will educate them about the whats and hows of implementing scientific methods like system of rice intensification. The visiting team interacted with the farmers, NGOs and agro-scientists to understand the on-ground learning needs from a 360-degree viewpoint. The team will be shortly implementing a tablet-driven farming solution to scale a homogeneous agro-education across. And दोस्तों, the good news is, इस टेक्नोलॉजी के द्वारा हम किसानों के प्रॉब्लम्स रियल टाइम कैप्चर कर सकते हैं और उनको इंस्टेंट रिस्पॉन्स दे सकते हैं। टूर के दौरान किसानों ने जम के टीम का स्वागत किया। वाटर मैनेजमेंट, न्यूट्रिशन मैनेजमेंट एंड पेस्ट मैनेजमेंट जैसे कुछ ऑन फील्ड मुद्दों पे भी बात की। ऑल इन ऑल, फार्मर एम्पावरमेंट के तरफ बढ़ाया फाउंडेशन का ये पहला कदम काफी यादगार रहा। फार्मर एम्पावरमेंट के बाद अब बढ़ते हैं यूथ एम्पावरमेंट की तरफ। हाल ही में फाउंडेशन के एक्सपर्ट टीम ने अजमेर का दौरा किया। वहां वे कुछ NGOs, श्रमिक मित्रास और उद्योग मित्रास से मिले और बातचीत की। आपको बता दें, श्रमिक मित्रास are the people who mobilize youth from remote villages and motivate them towards a safe and meaningful livelihood. And Udyog Mitras are micro-entrepreneurs who train and empower unemployed youth in their area of business and guide them towards establishing their own micro-business. The team discussed in detail the implications of their role and the challenges faced. ये विजिट भी एक टाटा इनिशिएटिव था। अजमेर से अब सीधा चलते हैं कोलकाता, जहां वोकेशनल स्किल को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमने म्यूजिक मेंटर सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स का गामा राउंड कंडक्ट किया। 5 दिन चलने वाले इस सर्टिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम में म्यूजिक टीचर्स ने खूब डेडिकेशन और उत्साह के साथ भाग लिया। प्रोग्राम के आखिरी दिन में फाउंडेशन के फाउंडर श्री सौरभ जी सरकार ने भी पर्सनली उनके साथ इंटरैक्ट किया और उनको मोटिवेट किया। रानाघाट इंडियन आइडल अकेडमी ने इसी बीच एक मजेदार म्यूजिकल पिकनिक का आयोजन किया था, जहां बच्चों ने खूब मस्ती की। अब चलते हैं राउरकेला, जहां इस पूर्णिमा साइकिल में इंडियन आइडल अकेडमी का एक नया सेंटर इनॉग्रेट हुआ। इंडियन आइडल अकेडमी is spreading music in 62 cities now. दोस्तों, बहुत जल्द ही म्यूजिक हर बच्चे के सिलेबस में होगा। कैसे? With our Music for All, we are partnering with schools to spread music education across every kid. Recently, we signed the first school to go musical with us with Music for All in Mumbai. This is a major breakthrough in terms of scaling music education in India. Friends, Karmyog has been empowering lives of Indian youth through vocational training programs. At our Technology Development and Training Center, a batch of vocational learners are now undergoing a 15-day training program, at the end of which these learners will be absorbed in one of the finest hospitality and fruit brand of the city, mainland China, as stewards. है ना खुशखबरी? अब चलते हैं कर्मयोग ग्रीन्स to pluck some fresh and organic news straight from the fields. Friends, Karmyog Greens is fast becoming the favorite destination of the organic veggie shoppers. With an assortment of flora and fauna available for sale, the Greens for sure is making its mark. To remind you friends, Karmyog Greens is a unique biodiverse village set in the heart of Newtown city. It's handcrafted personally by none other than the founder of the foundation, Shri Saurabh J. Sarkar. Before we meet the Mahacharya in our final segment, let's check out the launches. Jago Beats with legend Bikram Ghosh is all set to release along with Jago Theatre with Prabir Guho, Jago Singing with Indian Idol Academy legends like Hariharan Salim, Kavita Krishnamurthy and Alka Yagnik. Karmyog is also reaching out to the global citizen with a unique East-West integration program, India Immersion, launching this Purnima. Apart from these, Jago Arts and Jago Dance was also successfully piloted this Purnima. Omnidel Labs, an Omnidel training program for freshers and professionals too, is all set to roll out this Purnima. इसी के साथ अब वक्त हो चला है for the awaited segment Saurabh Speaks, where the founder of Karmyog Foundation shares a special message with everyone every month.
नमस्कार, and it is great आप सबके साथ मिलकर in another edition of Karmyog Moments. ये एक खास पूर्णिमा है, होली की समय है. We are all getting ready to celebrate the festival of colors, and along with that I feel really good to share with you the fact that हमारा footprint जो है ये अब it has got into the farthest reaches of the country. Indian Idol लेके हम तो बहुत सारे शहर पे पहुँचे हुए थे, पर अभी शहर से गांव तक पहुँच रहे हैं with the Tata Trusts program. Tata Trust के साथ हम work कर रहे हैं to reach out to migrant workers in the villages, to farmers, and see how we can bring the best technology, the best media for fulfilling a mass education need that exists in this country. And मैं जब खुद उड़ीसा के villages में, राजस्थान के interior villages में गया और लोगों से मिला to conduct our field trials this month, it was a wonderful feeling because ultimately यही सब करने के लिए तो इतना कुछ हो रहा है. If the technology, if the media, if our expertise is only limited to those who can afford, तो काम अधूरा रह जाता है. पर we are now being able to reach out and try and solve some of the toughest mass education problems that our country faces. And believe me, if we are able to solve this one, then it will be one of the biggest achievements for not just us, but for the country and for the field of education in the whole world. So we are looking forward with a lot of hope and a lot of gumption कि एक बड़ा कुछ होने वाला है. Of course, the movement at Greens continues to go on, and we are waiting for next Purnima, in fact, which will be the 9th Purnima from the time that we started. आपको तो पता है 9th Purnima मतलब 9 महीने में एक बच्चे को जन्म दिया जाता है. So we really look forward to something great next time. We've also started working on a wonderful program which is at this point of time limited to Kolkata, but this is a program being done with Kolkata Police, where we will get a chance to reach out to 250,000 school children in over 250 schools and 150,000 bus drivers, auto drivers and taxi drivers. ये जो एक urban life का जो main stakeholders होते हैं, सब complain करते हैं about the road situation, traffic situation in urban metro cities. But इसमें जो 3 main stakeholders होते हैं, one is the service providers like the bus drivers, auto drivers or the public vehicle drivers. And on the other side are the service consumers like the passengers जो हम ये service avail करते हैं, the road users. And then the third component, and the third set of stakeholders are the law enforcers. तो ये तीनों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म में लाने का मौका मिल रहा है. That's also another great project, but more about that next time when the project takes a little more shape. अभी इसकी काम just शुरू हुई है. So I look forward to sharing all this with you the next time we meet. Till then, नमस्कार.
कर्मयोग मोमेंट्स एडिशन दोल पूर्णिमा में फिलहाल इतना ही. नेक्स्ट पूर्णिमा we will come back with more news, more updates and more सेवा. Till then, let's कर्मयोग.